Do you like color? Do you love color? Check out this one. This is Ruby from the Wig Spa Canada, and the color scared me when I ordered her, but I was like, I need to bring some color in here to show you guys. And oh my gosh, take a look at her. That hairline. The hairline. She's gorgeous. Let's take a look at Miss Ruby from Wig Spa Canada from all sides. Here's the front, left, back, right, and front. You guys, to say I'm obsessed with this color is like an understatement. This is something that I would normally never reach for, but I am so glad I got this. She is just, she's beautiful. Definitely makes my eyes pop. So for those of you who have blue eyes, yeah. Anyways, so this is Ruby from the Wig Spa Canada, and let's get into some of the details for you, okay? She is a burgundy red, and hello, yes, take a look. I'm gonna show you some pictures of her outside, or a picture of her outside for you, but she's beautiful. It is a 130 density, so take a look at that. That's like perfect. That is very, very natural density. So she feels so light. She feels very comfortable. Doesn't even feel like I have anything on. To be completely honest with you, this is like a very natural human bio hair density. So yeah, I love her. It has a 13 by 4 free parting lace space area. So I will show you what this looks like in just a minute, the inside of the cap. But I want to give you some of the details, okay? She's an average cap, so I fit a 22-inch circumference, and she fits me like a glove. There's a little bit of space here for those of you who have hair. So that's good to note. And I believe this one, any size, will be able to wear this. It is so comfortable, and you can adjust the straps and everything on it. And it does come with a added strap as well, which is one of my favorite features on a wig. It is heat safe. It's a Futura Fiber, high quality synthetic. It's mixed with yaki texture. So she's like a BioFutura. If you're familiar with a BioFutura, it's very silky, but it has a slight texture. So in my opinion, these feel more realistic to me. But so yeah, she's heat safe. You can curl this, you can straighten this, you can maintain it with heat. Always do a test strand. I always tell you guys that, because every wig's fiber and every hot tool has differences to them. So you always want to make sure you're safe. You're not going to melt your beautiful hair. What else can I tell you? Your hot tools use up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, but again, figure it out with your hot tool. You may have to do some adjustments, okay? And this one, when I had Cass actually customize this one, she is normally all one length. So I had her add in some face framing layers and then some soft layers throughout. But you guys, either way, she's beautiful. And I definitely recommend it for those of you who love your bright colors, like hello. Yeah, I am so glad that I took the chance on this one and ordered her in so I could show you guys. So there's the hairline again. So let's take this off so you guys can see what she looks like. So there's your 13 by 4, right there. Okay, so 13 from ear to ear, 4 from the hairline back. You have combs at the hairline, or at the ears. And in the back, you have the extended nape. You have the comb at the nape, closed wefting. This one also comes with a comb at the crown area. So if you have hair, this just gives you the opportunity to have a little bit extra security if you want it. And it has the added strap. So she's beautiful. And you can adjust this. And if you don't want the strap, when you're ordering from the Wig Spa Canada, I do have the link for this exact wig down in my description and my measurements as well. But if you don't want the strap, just let Cass know on your order. If you want customizations, when you're placing an order, just let Cass know. Send pictures, send any information you possibly can. And you can also reach her through her chat box on the website. It is the best way to reach her. She will definitely work with you on customizing a wig for you. And if you see a wig on her page, but it's just like, there's no way, it's too long, message Cass. If you love the color, Cass will work with you to customize it to your desire, so it is unique to you. Okay, so again, you guys, this is Ruby from the Wig Spa Canada, and I'm in love. I really am. I'm in love. So have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you soon.
Beating out my chest, it seems I met my match. Oh, baby, she's trouble. Stars standing on those lips full of venom, she's trouble.